General applications. Markup in percent. Markup in percent is the percentage that is the difference between the cost of the item and the selling price of the item. So let's look at an example. Example 1. Find the markup in percent of the MicroGuard air filter if the list price is $27.99 and the unit cost is $15.25. So how we find the markup in percent is we take the list price minus the unit cost divided by the unit cost times 100. So that will be our formula that we use. So our list price is right here. And then we have our unit cost, which is $15.25. So let's go ahead and plug that in. So let's get our calculators out. So we do our subtraction first, and then we're going to divide by 15.25, and then we get so we have 0.8354. So we'll just round to the fourth decimal times 100. So we get 83.54. And this is percent. So this is our markup. Let's go ahead and look at another example. Example 2. Find the markup in percent of the MicroGuard fill filter if the list price is $12.49 and the unit cost is $6.45. So we remember that we have the list price minus the unit cost over the unit cost times 100, which will give us the markup in percent. So let's plug in our numbers. So we have $12.49 minus $6.45 over the $6.45. Then we're going to multiply it by 100. Let's get our calculators out. So we'll do a subtraction first, and then we'll divide by 6.45, which then we get 0.9364. Then we multiply by 100, and we get 93.64. And this is our markup in percent. So let's go ahead and look at another example. But in this time, we're going to look at margin. So our margin is how much money is made off the item. So example 3, find the margin in percent of a MicroGuard air filter if the list price is $27.99 and the unit cost is $15.25. So for margin, it is the list price minus the unit cost divided by the list price. And then we multiply it by 100. So for this, we can see we have the list price here, and then we have our unit cost. So let's fill in our numbers here. And now we'll get our calculators out. So we get 12.74 on the top, and then we'll divide by 27.99, and we get 0.4552. And then we're going to multiply it by 100. And we get 45.52. And this is all in percent. And this is our margin in percent. So let's go look at another example. Example 4. Find the margin in percent of a microguard fill filter if the list price is $12.49 and the unit cost is $6.45. So we have the list price minus the unit cost. So we'll take the difference of those over the list price and multiply it by 100. So let's go ahead and fill in our numbers. So we have 12.49 minus 6.45 over 12.49 multiplied by 100. Now we will put in our calculators. So we took the difference. We got 6.04 on the top. And then we divide by the 12.49. And we're left with 0.4836. And then we're going to multiply it by 100. Next, we're going to divide by 12.49, and then we get this decimal. Then we're going to multiply it by 100. Now we're going to divide by 12.49, and we get 0.4836. And then we're going to multiply it by 100. And we get 48.36. And this is in percent. And this is our final solution for the margin in percent. So remember that margin can never exceed 100%, whereas markup can exceed 100%. And if you say you have a 50% margin, it's equivalent to a markup of 100%.